In this video, we'll go over the file and folder structure for the project site and walk through setting it up in our code editor. First, let's look at the site planning PDF file provided in the instructions. You can use this file to help you plan your own site. Write in your site's name up here at the top. Here, you can see a diagram that might remind you of a family tree. This is called a sitemap, and it helps us plan the hierarchical structure of the pages of the site. Over here on the side is a suggested file and folder structure. Note that this builds off of the basic site structure outlined in the course content. You can see here the home page, main style sheet, the docs, and images folders. But this site also adds products and articles folders to help organize the large number of pages the site will include. The home page at the top of this sitemap is the main page of the site. It will be called index.html and is placed in the root folder of the site. This page branches off to the articles section, products section, and the about page. The articles section begins with the main article list page, which we've called index.html. We've used this name since it is the main page inside the articles folder. We've done the same thing for the products list page, except that it is in the products folder. Under the articles section, we've indicated that there will be at least 5 individual article pages, labeled here as A1 through A5. You can use any naming convention you like, but if you know the names of the articles you'll include, it can be helpful to use a short version of those names so you can tell them apart better. Note that these 5 pages are placed inside the articles folder. We mimic this same idea in the products section. Last of all, the about page is placed in the root folder along with the site homepage. Now let's set up this same structure in our code editor. We're using Codio for this course, but most code editors have very similar features, as you'll see here, that make managing your site's files very easy. Following our planning document, we'll create 4 folders in the root folder of our site: articles, docs, images, and products. We'll place the following files in our root folder: index.html, styles.css, and about.html. We'll create the following files in our articles folder: index.html and article1.html through article5.html. We'll also create the following files in our products folder: index.html and product1 through product5.html. Now let's set up the basic page content in each page, placing accurate labels in each. Starting with the main home page, add the basic HTML document structure: the doc type, the root HTML element, the head tag, and the body tag. Then inside head, let's add a meta tag that specifies the character set or cart set to UTF-8, and then a title element. This page is the home page. Let's copy all of this markup and paste it into the other pages, updating the page names accordingly: about, article list, article 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, product list, and products 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great! Now each page of the site has been created, and a title is appropriately placed in each.